Guys, unfortunately, we are stuck in the middle of nowhere. Help! So it's another day and it's another weekend, another vlog. So we will go for a road biking for today. So for our destination, we are not quite sure, but we plan to go to the Ubay area. I have my head cover or face cover. I have my cover sleeve also, kay init naman siya. Then mga essentials, so wallet and stuff and phone. Then for my bike, so helmet and water of course. So and among ihapit ang bike guys sa shop to check yun kung wala na siya anything that could lead into like hopefully wala accident, but that could lead into unfortunate event. Lulu is here guys, so it means mag-start na mi sa among journey. Isulod char, come in. Sangay guys, akong iro. Mas stress ko ani niya guys, kay lagi siyang nagagalit pag may ibang tao. No. So he would really bark. His name is Sangay, but he's a good boy naman. Kanarang naay ubang tao, so masako yun ni siya. That's the normal for a dog. Baboy. We will adjust this one. Taas naman siya. It's stall for Lulu. So we have to adjust. Dito ba siya? Dito. Tara. Sure. Malapit. Dito ka man. Sige, try. Inalan mag-try kasi dili siya gahi. So kini sa diri nga area, pwede ra ka mag-change, pwede ra pwede. Pero usually mag-change ko kung tungason siya kaayo ito nako. So ana opposite mo siya kung diri, kung kini siya ang low, kini siya ang high, diri. Kini ang low, kini ang patuhawan, kini ang patu saka. Masaka dili magisod na ka ana, nag-change naman siya. So mag pindot ka na, wal gadagan jud ka. Sige, isikad lang siya niya pag try og islet. Sikat, tinagtingog. Ayaw sa i-change ang gear. Nya, oh. Nya, balik lang, Char. Oh, ilaw siya ni mo. Kaya para makasikat ka, oh. Ay, di. High ang 8. So, ay ka sa 3 or 1. Kung patungas. Oh. Wala na natin. Depende na sa nimo kung kaya nimo siya sikaran. So kung di kaya ito sa nimo para pwede na. Yung highway noon pwede makapakusog. Like pwede siya nimo increase imong speed. So pwede ka din mag-8, pwede sa ka mag-3 kung highway, kung flat track. Pero kung tungason, okay ni just siya ang imong usually mag-change. Mga adto na mi guys and see you later. Bye. First stop, mga ka-on the go. Na blanco. I think we are at the 4 or 5 kilometers pa, so malayo yung biyahe. So okay, the break is so I think the break is okay, so we have to continue guys and see you on the next stop. So guys, we changed our mind since our first plan supposed to be is to bike going to the Philippine Carabao Center, the PCC area, but we find it like layo ra kayo siya, especially sa ako ang kauban si Lulu, because this is her first time to do road biking. So now we decide to just continue our journey, but we will just stop here at Cambugsay Healing Hills. This way, guys. Let's continue the journey. Straight. Hi. No.
Oh no.
Stuck na siya. Ako ba? Guys, unfortunately, we are stuck in the middle of nowhere.
Oh no.
Guys, yung ano ni Lulu, what you call this shawl. Kuya, we need help. Stuck in the brake. Na-stuck siya sa brake. Brother, where are you? Yan. We're still looking for solution. What should we do? So, mahirap ang signal dito, mga besh. Hopefully, someone would rescue us. Guys, kibawag yun sarap pagkuha. Giligid ro ang ligid. Salamat! Siya.
Tutana.
Mga besh. So, dapat di ay guys, dapat jud makabalo ta og basics ato ang mga gear. Oh, nya kami rang duha guys, so it's so hard for us to fix everything na ay maguba sa bike. But we're still blessed. Kay ay nakatabang. So, we should continue the journey again. Yay! Ayun! So, ayun. babalik. Sige. Balik diri. Singan sa isda ni mo tay. So, what can you say for your first road biking? Yan. Guys, sakit iyang kuan.
Kanang gahi man.
Ako kay padding good. So, mo na siya imuhang i-invest next time. Padding.
Padding sa?
Baba. Lahi dahil nga padding, guys. So, resting for a while. And guys, that's a wrap for today.
Ay, mga on pata.
Mga on today.